kadak jong jing Aiman Syiem jing penslur ya kisam lapuli jong ka Sngap Syiem College Mokorwan na kaliang kenong penya jong ka college kala penlong graduation day ceremony kabla long sibenta jong ka youth festival arjar arpulai ba arsni ha ka ba uba DP walang IES Chief Secretary jong ka jala Meghalaya ulalong kum ukongsan kani ke Rakhe kadai ha ka phang kemen kat ba phidang im te lakam pendu ya ka HIV Chief Secretary ke jela oba DP walang haba keren kum ukongsan ulaong ba kani kadai kesngi ke bakamen kaban penkan mau ya kejing tresitom wat hapadeng kejing ki ba kia kendo hapadeng kejing pulih ulai mensim ki samla pulih ba kindang tresitom bat ban wat ladru namar kani kalong kejing job kaban plilanti ban pej ke ba ki dei ban le nang ni sakman ulaong kejing job kam dei ka bakut lemne kejing rem kam dei kejing yap Hanrei kadai kejing slur ban peteng sakmat ban pej ngai kenang ban nang kiu su hagni kesngi layu don langru Deputy Commissioner oba di langwa ka editor jangka kot khobor Shillong Times ka kong Patricia Mukhem bat kiwei
I'm familiar with this institution since I've been here and nila juya bon ki kam ki jam ki bangilaya nilai berjemut nilai sulap buat nilai pentelun mengisah mat patru. I hope that this college will grow from strength to strength. Looking at the results of the students, I could see the quality of this college, and I could see the talents of the students because I keep meeting them off and on in various occasions. They have got some of them have got hidden talents which need to be exhibited at proper forum, and we hope that with your graduation you will keep on struggling in life so that you will shine bright in future and you will be an example to the people of this area. I will not speak much. I congratulate the organizers of this function, which is very grand function for a college in this part of the state. I also am very thankful to the teachers of this institute, of this college, for being very proactive in all activities, not only within the classrooms but extracurricular activities also, which has helped the students of this college to grow much ahead when we compare to other parts of the state, leaving aside the state capital. So I once again congratulate you and thank you. Our respected Chief Secretary, sir, from Patricia Mukhem, the President and members of the governing body of this college, all the faculty members, my colleagues who are in the dais, and also I could see some students from other colleges also.
Also to speak on two occasions. One is for the graduation ceremony and the second is for the youth festival that is going to start soon. So the address I'm going to give you will be in two parts. The first one is for the graduation ceremony and the second one for the youth festival. For those who are graduating today and who have just graduated, 220 of you from BA and 16 of you from BCom, I congratulate all of you for your achievements. It's not easy to graduate, especially when it comes from the outlying areas. There are many challenges that you have to face. There are many hurdles that you have to cross. And I'm happy that all of you have managed to overcome all the issues, all the challenges, and today you stand tall to be graduates from this college. Remember that success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Therefore, please remember that you may be successful today, you have graduated, but don't take this as a final achievement. Let this be a new window of opportunities. There are infinite possibilities waiting for you out there. Therefore, open your eyes, be focused, see what needs to be done. Where do you pursue your further studies? Where do you pursue your employment avenues wherever available? And this is not the ending point, but rather this is the starting point for all of you. What om ba ni adat kecing kulit tentang contoh Syiem ini sedang nak family but kumni tai graduation ha kene kapor kandap apoi apply stem kari tang kecing sedang nang ne nang pitch pan be focus ya cepat but yet kilat gelenti kumno bapin beteng la ban penlut kau na sispa tamas save 20%. So the basic message I want to put is financial management is critical for all of us, and the art of saving is imperative and very, very important. Learn to save money, learn to save early. Bila orang mau nyeri baduk mendan pisah. Wat ki bangdan pisah ru lada pisah tang kendian man ubnai hadin lipo sapos nem, it's a different game altogether. But especially those who will be getting jobs after your graduation, please understand that you need to understand financial management, but you should not earn 100 and spend 120. You should learn how to look at the basics of finance. Basics like, for example, an income expenditure. One step ahead of that is a balance sheet, which is a little difficult, but if you can do that, those who are past BCom should be able to do it properly. But the point I'm trying to make is that financial management is important and should understand the importance of savings, especially at an early age, because if you start saving at an early age, it's the power of compounding that will save you later. Third and final point, for those who are participating in the festival is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You may have friends who may insult you. You may have friends who may discourage you. Don't look at them. Move forward. Just focus on what needs to be done, and your eyes should be on the ball all the time. Be focused. You should be very, very careful in your planning. You should know what you want to do. If some of you who have graduated want to enter government service, for example, and be an MCS officer, be focused. Your eyes should be on that ball to be an MCS or an IAS officer. Start from now on. Read the newspaper daily. You get free newspaper online. And be so focused on your studies, on your efforts. Don't spend too much time online. It's a very, very deadly poison. If 7 to 8 hours you are spending online on your mobile, you will not reach anywhere. So therefore, be focused, should have a good aim, should have a good objective, and you should have your eyes on the ball. Be confident of what you are doing. Be positive in your outlook. What ang ngamla banle? Kani ngam dan jabing menyelek ini exam, ngam dan jabing menyelek ini interview. Be positive and be confident. That is what is important. Youth Festival, there are many students from outside this college also who joined here. We welcome all of you also. And I'm happy that this festival is being held here in Sngap College. It is an important part in students' life to participate in such activities. Why? Because each and every student, my advice is kindly have a fine work-life balance. Meaning, don't just study only. If you just study only, you'll burn out. You'll get tired, you'll get fed up, you'll say, but if you have a good work balance, study and play and indulge and involve yourself in other activities. It could be drama, it could be quiz, it could be debates, but get yourself involved in multiple activities. You should have a good work-life balance. People like us who are quite elderly, at this age also, we try to adopt a good work-life balance. Not only sit in the secretariat for 8-9 hours, but also we go out, involve ourselves. Could be a musical activity, it could be a sporting activity, but we work for a good work-life balance. All of you students, from now on, plan properly so that you have a good balance. As I said, only studies, you will get tired. Only play, you will get tired. So play also, study also. Study also, play, debates, quiz, dramatics, involved in different activities. And I'm happy that such a youth festival will give you an opportunity to all of you to display your different talents. So therefore, my advice for all those who are participating in this youth festival and also the students who are graduating today, maintain a good work-life balance. As progressive, not as forward as places in Shillong or Guwahati or Delhi. Let me tell you only one thing. People talk about engineers in the country, people talk about students who pass out from IIT, students who pass out from premier institutions. Last week, the lunar vehicle from India, designed by ISRO, landed on the moon. 90% of the scientists who designed this lunar vehicle that landed on the moon were from institutions that were from far-flung areas. Many of them passed out from areas like Calicut, like Trivandrum, like in fact I have a classmate of mine who's a deputy director in Kerala, in ISRO, who's also part of that. And they are not from IITs. Somebody mentioned very interestingly, IITians, those who pass from IIT, they go to Silicon Valley. Non-IITians go to the moon. So therefore, you also, as students from this area, don't think that you cannot conquer new horizons. Not only people from Shillong can do it, not only people from Guwahati, from Delhi, people from Maukurwat also can do it. Therefore, be focused, be strong, never lose hope. Remember that even if you don't get a job, because it's very challenging nowadays, there are many other avenues. You can be entrepreneurs. There are programs available for all of you to upskill. So remember, graduation is just one part. Upskilling yourself again and again is another part which is very important. Proactive in whatever you do. These are a few advices that I have for all of you, both those who are graduating today as well as those who are participating in the youth festival. Understand that it's a time for you as youths full of energy. Please enjoy yourself, expend all the energies that you have and act responsibly. These are a few words that I would like to share with you on this important day. I wish all of you the very best. I wish the parents also but lapas BA lapas become kitchen no haye menta but lada kiran kwa banit pule di ban sha yaki ba kinle pule kata kare ke kam ha. I also would like to congratulate the faculty members. I think they have done an incredible job. Mentioned in public forums, you may have graduated today, you may have finished your BA, even BCom for that matter, but students, especially from this part of the country, in the northeast, whether in Shillong, Mairam, Maukurwat, North, anywhere, they lack basic skills of financial management. You should learn the basics of financial management. Kamu you financial management, kamu pilih bentuk pio ano, but pido ano, but people look ano. They bentuk kamu ban upskill yang de bala ban yo ikam. Push new boundaries. That is important. Set higher standards, conquer new frontiers, and never shy away from taking risks. These are the 3 points that I want to share with all those who are graduating today. Push new boundaries, conquer new frontiers, and never shy from taking risks.